In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen a sprint in Jira Cloud. Whether you're adjusting timelines or needing to make some tweaks, reopening a sprint can be an essential tool. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you understand each part clearly and thoroughly. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the specific Jira project where the sprint in question is located. It's crucial to make sure you're in the correct project, as reopening a sprint in the wrong project can lead to confusion and mismanagement. Once you're in the project, take a look at the sidebar, which is your navigation hub for various options related to your project management activities. Click on Reports in this sidebar. Reports in Jira offer a comprehensive view of your project's progress, and in this case, we'll use them to locate the sprint you want to reopen. Now, from the available reports, choose the Sprint Burndown chart. This chart provides insights into sprint progress and completion, and it will help you identify which completed sprint you'll deal with. It's a helpful tool that showcases how work has been allocated and completed within the sprint timeline. Once you're viewing the sprint burndown chart, you'll see a drop-down menu that lists all the sprints associated with your project. From this drop-down, select the completed sprint you wish to reopen. Take your time here to ensure you select the correct sprint. This step is pivotal, as reopening the wrong sprint can disrupt your team's workflow and historical data tracking. Next, you'll notice three little dots on the right-hand side of your screen. Clicking these dots will open a context menu. It's a handy feature that often contains several options related to sprint management. From this menu, look for Reopen Sprint and give it a click. This action signals your intent to the system, preparing Jira to restore the sprint to an active status. Finally, a dialog box will appear, asking you to confirm the reopening of the sprint. This confirmation step is a safeguard, ensuring that you intend to make this change. Read through any prompts or information provided to understand the implications of reopening the sprint. Once you're ready, confirm the action. And that's it! You've successfully reopened a sprint in Jira Cloud. This feature enables you to add tasks, correct errors, or adjust your project timeline with ease. Remember, effective project management is about flexibility and adapting to changes as needed, and reopening sprints is just one of the many ways Jira can help facilitate a smooth workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.